In this video we are discussing about how to transfer Proface HMI backup via Pendrive into the Proface HMI. For that, firstly select Transfer Project. After that, another pop-up window will come. In that, select Memory Loader option. After Memory Loader, click on Create Backup File. After that, select USB. Browse from the option and select USB drive path and then press OK. Now the boot file has been creating. After completion, it will show the message data creation has been completed. Now close it. Now check the pendrive path. In that, 3 files are generated. First one is a boot CFG file has been generated. Now connect the pendrive to the Proface HMI as shown in the video. Then on the HMI screen you see the bottom side one bar. In that 3 option is there. Select first option. If you see in the right corner, one blue color pendrive icon is showing, which indicates that pendrive has successfully connected with the HMI. Select USB starting. Wait for loading. After loading, next window will come. In that, 2 options is there, upload and download. If you want to upload the backup from the Proface HMI to pendrive, then select upload backup. It will transfer display to storage. For download, you can select the download option. In that, memory loader file is showing. Press start. Do you want to download the data? Press yes. Now reading data started from the pendrive. Wait for a completion of a complete writing data. Now it's showing a project write completed. Press back. Press exit. Are you sure until restart system? Yes. Wait for the restart of system. Now you can see that the pendrive backup has been transferred to HMI.
Thanks for watching. If you want to learn more about PLC programming, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this one.